The best defense against any accident is to keep it from happening. However, despite our best efforts to prevent accidents, they still occur from time to time, including chemical spills. Knowing the potential hazard of a substance before working with it helps in treating a spill when it happens. This is where material safety data sheets are important. Should a chemical spill occur, the best defense is to know what to do to keep everyone safe. Take care of the victim immediately. Rush them to the nearest chemical shower and treat the affected area thoroughly. Once the immediate danger is over, isolate the victim to await treatment by emergency personnel. Do not attempt to clean the spill yourself. The cleanup should only be done by trained personnel. Instead, alert the lab supervisor. If the lab supervisor is not available, telephone the UGA Police Department at 911. Give the lab supervisor all the information you have about the spill, the chemical involved, and a description of the spill area. The lab supervisor will determine if anyone was affected by the spill and what treatment should be applied. The lab supervisor will determine if the spill requires that the UGA Police Department is to be notified. Be prepared to inform the UGA Police Department if anyone is in need of medical attention and provide details on the spill, including what was spilled and where, how much was spilled, hazardous characteristics of the spilled material, a cell phone number that someone knowledgeable can be reached at, any actions taken such as isolating the area, the need for assistance with stabilizing and cleaning up the spill, and any additional pertinent information. Remove yourself and others from the area as safely as possible if the lab supervisor directs you to do so. Once everyone is located a safe distance from the accident, cordon off the area and do not let anyone go near the spill. Do not activate the fire alarm. Fire alarms are for fires, not chemical spills. If the first responders deem the area hazardous and issue an evacuation order, evacuate the building immediately. You may re-enter the building only after an all clear is provided by first responders. By keeping these steps in mind, you will help to avoid injury to yourself and others, and the chemical spill will be a minor incident.